So today I'm swapping out this valve. There's a bunch of roots around it, so when I was digging it out, I broke the lateral above, as you can see. So I'm using my OD glue and primer and going to put it all back together. I'm using my Corona cutters to cut out the pipe, sucking the water out. Now I'm going to install a spear slip fix up for the lateral. Then I'm going to extend the valve out slightly past the lateral, cut out the 3/4, install another slip fix with a 3/4 inch reducer, and attach that. Now these gloves are Glove Works from Tech's Choice. Highly recommended. They're phenomenal gloves. I use them every day. When I do service calls, I hate dealing with all these wires, so I'm cleaning this up a little bit. Connected two whites, which are the common, to one of the wires, and then the red, which is the zone, to the other wire, using silicone-filled wire nuts. Now right about here, I realized that the wire was in the wrong spot and it was above the lateral, so cut it all out and do it again. Put the valve box in and fill the hole, test it, and we're good to go.